The first step is to identify the type of differential equation. This is obviously a variable separable type. Start by separating the variables. The next step is integration. The expression on the LHS is not a standard type, so it will require a substitution. For that, we first convert e power minus y as 1 by e power y. Looking at the LHS now, the obvious substitution is put 2 minus e power y equal to t, so that minus e power y into dy equal to dt. Now integrate both sides. Resubstitute the value for t. Rearrange and apply the property of logarithms. Use the definition of logarithms. Apply the given condition y equal to 0 when x equal to 0 and solve for c.